Incredible creating livable living room tips using fresh decoration. The first thing about livable living room ideas is that you should consider about the whole room concept. You need details plan of the room. After that, you have to buy material that you need at the store. This is because sometimes the material or accessories that we need is out of stock. We have to match it with the availability. Then, identify what color that you like most. Whether it is the light or a dark color will work well if it is combined properly. Accessories can also make the room decoration enliven. The example of accessories is the chandeliers, pendant lamps, wall paintings, artistic sculpture, or anything. You have to be able to combine each of these accessories in good incorporation. You can focus on the pattern, color accent, furniture arrangement, etc. by focusing on one thing. It means that you have direction about making the design. Decorative stuff has significant role in changing the whole room design. Bringing the outdoor element into the room will give fresh atmosphere. For example is placing the flower vase within the room. It can be the rose, orchid, tulip flower, and so on, which has bright color. You can change it every 3 or 4 days before it is withered. Flower can also be changed with the green plant decoration or the fresh fruit. These tips to make your living room more livable are easy to do, right? Incredible creating livable living room tips using fresh decoration. The first thing about livable living room ideas is that you should consider about the whole room concept. You need details plan of the room.